Hi friends, I have a book for you today. This is Freight Train by Donald Cruz. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back, orange tank car next, yellow hopper car. And there's the track they're on. Green cattle car, blue gondola car, purple boxcar. A black tender, and a black steam engine. You see the steam coming out of the top. Freight train. There's the engine. All the train cars on the track. All the way to the red caboose in the back. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. The trestle is this big train bridge. Moving in darkness, moving in daylight. Going, going, gone. Where do you think the train went? That's Freight Train.